what is your name?
Lourdes.
Yeah, Lourdes. Yeah.
Dr. Guruji, this is truly an honor. I never, ever, ever could imagine I could even be talking to you right now. I really, I'm so grateful. And my glasses going. Actually, what I ask about the fungus is on my son. Can I still ask? Well, he's 18, he's going to university now in September. And he got some fungus on his right foot, on his toes. It's getting better, but it's still there. He's spending a lot of time on the computer, talking to his friends a lot, and he's going to bed really late. And that's the only thing I'm a bit concerned about him.
See, if you get mustard oil or coconut oil, ask him to apply it on his foot. He is getting fungus because he's sweating a lot in his foot.
Okay.
Does he sweat a lot?
Probably yes.
And probably he's wearing wrong shoes or socks. So ask him to change his brand and ask him to, put the socks daily for.
Yeah, it does. Is it cotton you suggest? Sorry, Dr. Guruji. Is it cotton socks better? Or
cotton is better than wool. Cotton is better for him than wool. And, there's one more thing, that the problem of the skin doesn't end very soon. So if you can take screenshots of this morning and evening. They will give you the recording on YouTube. You can copy it from there. So morning and evening, before eating anything, empty stomach, he can do this. One, this is Chinna Mudra. Okay. Then this is Prana Mudra to enhance energy. This removes stress. This will enhance energy. This mudra is the mudra to remove skin allergies. And fungus. The index finger is touching the base of the thumb, and this is touching over here on this line. After that, there will be Jala Mudra, Apa Mudra, Water Mudra, to maintain the sweat to keep the sweating in control, so that he will sweat equally and not only in the feet. After that, this is Apan Mudra. Apan Mudra, this also relieves stress a lot. 5 minutes, all of them. And then this one will touch over here. This is Apan Vayu Mudra. 5 minutes, this 5 minutes Apan and 5 minutes Apan Vayu. This is also known as Mahasanjivani Mudra. It is one of the most important mudras. Everyone can learn this. This is very important for healing all types of problems. It is the greatest healer. Then you remove this too and just keep this like this. This is Vayu Mudra. It relieves excess gas from the body. So these mudras, if he does, starting from chin, after chin, I said, this is prana. After prana, we go to allergy removing mudra. And after that, we go to, the Varun mudra, Apa mudra. After Varun mudra, the water mudra, Apa mudra, you go to Apan mudra. Apan, after that, Apan Vayu. After Apan Vayu, you go to Vayu. Apan Vayu means, names will be very difficult. It will take a lot of time to explain in English. But you see how it is done. And you can do the copy from the YouTube. Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, can I, about him staying up too late, is anything I can do with the
Sorry?
computers? About him staying too long in the computers,
Too long on the
on the computer,
computer.
can I?
Okay. For that, there is an elephant god.
Yes, Ganesha, is it? No.
Ganesha.
Ganesha.
Yes. That Ganesha or Ganesha or Ganapati, you bring a sticker of it or an idol of it and keep it on his table where he's using a lot of computer.
Oh, good. Thank you so much.
And slowly and steadily he will be away from it.
Okay.
Make sure that the trunk of Ganesha is pointing the left part of Ganesha.
Okay. Quickly, can
You're
you see?
right and Ganesha's left.
Yes. Sorry, quickly,
You're
can you
right.
see?
Yes. Tell me, sorry.
No, it's my fault. Apologies. No, I was just wondering, is anything you can see about the university? I'm sure he's going to do well. I just wonder, is anything?
See, his birth number is number 8. His destiny number is number 1. That creates a lot of confusion and ego in him. So if you ask him to keep his ego under control, that will be good for him. But on the computer, or anywhere, he won't get along with too many friends because of his ego and the confusion which goes around him. So you have to ask him to bring it down.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. I look forward to learn more with you. Thank you so much.